second video. We did our broken lawnmower video, but we think we got it fixed, so we're gonna try it. No, you know what you're supposed to look.
I think it's too high.
Wow.
You gotta pull it back while you're on this one.
Oh wow. Seriously, that's.
You're right.
No. Maybe you remove that and put that one. Is that like the new one? Nice, take two.
Yeah, it is cutting pretty well.
Most cut like my hair color.
Maybe we should use this to cut your hair, or my hair.
Yeah, let's do that today.
Oh, that's all you do? Start over here.
You're gonna start by cutting the plant.
I'm just gonna start by evening this out.
Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. And yes, it is fixed. So, yeah, subscribe if you haven't. And see you guys next time. Oh, friend! Right now.